In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows Update error code 0x800f0983 on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button and go to Settings. Now from the list of options on the left pane, click on System. Scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. Here you'll find Windows Update with the Run button corresponding to it. Click the Run button to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. This will give you suggestions and recommendations in fixing the issue, and this will also help you fix the issue by following the on-screen instructions. Now, after running it, do not forget to right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. Then go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click on Yes for the user account control. We are going to reset the Windows Update components. To copy this command, which will be posted in the description box below. Control C to copy, and then Control V. So wait for the process to be done. So once this is done, do not forget to right-click at the Start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Then for the final method, go to the Windows search bar again, type CMD. Click Run as Administrator on the right pane. Click on Yes for the user account control and copy this command, which is a DISM command. Copy the DISM command first, Control C, and then Control V, and then wait for the process to be done. This might take a while, but once this is done, run the second command, which is the SFC scan, to scan for and fix any system corrupted files. After running the two commands, type exit in the command prompt window, then right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.